no concern to me. If you could tell your new man, please, to hang up my shirt as he takes it off your shoulders. It's the least he could do if we're gonna share you. And I'm sorry, but I'm beginning to hate your face. It's a face that always seems to put me in my place. It's a face that's as pretty as it is empty. It's a hollow space into which all my words disappear without a trace. Oh, don't you know that you're gonna reap what you sow? Oh, that sausage gonna come back to bite you in the ass. Be cruel if you must. It seems as if you're trying to take the devil's nest on your door. And my desire has fashioned a new tone. And I'm sorry, but I'm beginning to hate your face. It's a face, it always seems to put me in my place. It's a face that's as pretty as it is empty. It's a hollow space into which all my words disappear without a trace. I reread all your letters and I liked them so well that I had to eat them all. Yes, I ate them all and then slumped against the wall. I used to think of you as the sun, flinging your joy down to everyone. But your eyes have changed so soon, and your face, your face, your face.